How to search for a specific message on Instagram. There are two types, like for across all the conversations or within a specific conversation. First of all, search for a message across all conversations. Open the Instagram app and tap the direct messages in the top right corner. Tap the search bar at the top of the DMs list. Type a keyword, phrase, or name from the message you are looking for. Instagram will display all conversations containing that search term. Okay, next, search for a message within a specific conversation. So open the Instagram app again and navigate to your direct message. Tap the conversation where you want to search. Tap the person's name or group name at the top of the screen. Tap the magnifying glass icon, the search icon. Type the keyword or phrase from the message you want to find. Tap the search button on your keyboard. The results will appear as a list. Tapping one will jump to that specific message in the conversation. And that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel.